Hi there, VCS students. Thanks for checking this video out. This is a game called Strike Zone that we use to practice our overhand throw. And normally this is a game that we would probably play outside, but because we've got a blizzard in late April going on, we're going to play this one inside of our basement here. And some of the materials you would need for this game is some sort of ball. Sully, can you get that ball over there, please? All right, you'll need a target. All right, a lot of things can be used for a target. All right, we can use a cardboard box. We can use tape is a great one because you can, like a masking tape or a painter's tape, you can make your boxes on the wall. Today we're just going to use this poster and some markers. So you can see we've got our strike zone area here, and we're going to use a soft kind of squishy ball here. Let me see that ball, so. All right, that's so it doesn't bounce off the wall too hard back at us. Now, if you don't have like a softer, squishy ball, you can always make your own ball out of tape or even aluminum foil and tape and things like that. Our box here has a couple different zones in it. If the ball hits outside of our poster here, this is the 1 point zone. We didn't draw that on the wall, but this would be worth 1 point. If it hits in the green zone here, it's worth 2 points. In here, in blue is worth 3, and the red is worth 5. We're going to play this with a subtraction style today by taking away the points that we score, and we can play it in a couple different ways. We can play it competitive or cooperative. We've got our two score sheets over here, and we're going to start our competitive game with 11 and our cooperative game with 21. So we're going to back this up here and check out us playing the game as we go. Okay, so we've set up an area to throw from right here, and as you can see looking down, we've used this mat. You can just put a line on the floor if you like to, and all throws need to take place behind in that throwing zone. Make sure you're using good, proper overhand throwing technique, side to target, step, and buckle the seatbelt. And so you hold up your sock here. You can see Sully's got his one orange sock on to show his opposite foot, and that reminds him of which foot he's going to step with. So we're going to play some 11 strike zone right now, and we're all going to be on our own team, keeping our own score. So whatever points we get, we take them away from our total at 11, and the goal is to get to 0 as quick as possible. You have to get to 0 exactly. So if I'm on 3 and I hit the number 5, I would lose my turn, and I would have to get that exact 3 to get me down to 0. All right, here we go, boys. Let's have Finn up first. Go ahead. Use your overhand throw. All right, so you missed the target. That's going to be worth 1 point. Finn, how many points do you have now?
10.
All right, your turn, Sully. There's a 2-pointer. So how many points do you have, Sul?
9.
Yep, you have 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. Go ahead, Finn. Next round. All right. What do you have now, Finn?
8.
10 minus 2 is 8. And Sully. All right, what do you have now?
8.
8. So they're both tied at 8. They play that game till they got all the way down to 0. Okay, last we're going to show you our team version of Strike Zone, where we're going to use all of our scores together to get back down to 0. And since we're all playing together, we're going to use a higher number like 21. This will also help us work on subtracting with large numbers. One thing we're going to do for this game is we are going to use our marker. And after the person who throws scores in the strike zone there, they're going to run over and cross off our score and then write down our new score down there and then run back and deliver the marker. The next person can't throw until they get back onto our base area. So we're going to add just a little bit of cardio into this as well. Okay, who's going first?
I put my hand up first, but I got 5.
All right, here we go. Finn's going first. All right, that's a 1. Take the marker, Finn. Go, go, go. Sully's ready to go. Finn crosses off 21. And he writes down our new score, which is 20. Sully waits till he gets back. All right. Here you go, Sul. You got to take the marker. Cross it off. Run, run, run. Finn is waiting until he gets back. There you go. Take the marker. Sully, get the ball. And we might use our timer, like a stopwatch, to see how long it takes us to get down to 0 and try to beat our quickest time.
Oh my god, this is so many ones.
All right. Now you might try a different number. Maybe you'll start at something higher or put different numbers in your boxes. It depends on what you're working with for numbers in subtraction. So hope you guys enjoy, and this is a fun one you can play inside or outside at home. Bye.
Bye.